People across the state welcome New Year 2018 with series of celebrations and gaiety. MST's Imphal Chandal passenger bus service kicks off today, a New Year's gift from the Chief Minister to the people of Chandal. Veteran scientists of Manipur Award conferred to Professor Braj Chand and Manipuri American Professor Surjalal Sharma. Humanist Party of Manipur remembered enactment of Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 by observing Constitution Day of Manipur today. And Assam comes up with the first draft of National Register of Citizens to detect illegal citizens in the state last night. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We at the Impact News wish our viewers a very happy and prosperous New Year 2018. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you top stories. People celebrated New Year 2018 with gaiety and fervor all across the state today. Picnics, feasts and music concerts marked the celebration. Picnic goers thronged the bank of Segmai River in Imphal West District, a popular and favorite picnic spot for the people in town. Our reporter Bhakta Torangbam brings you an exclusive report.
Ingumja lising ani taran pan lakpa sida malim da leba miyamna numit asibu yamna harautayamna pangtholi Manipur gi mafam kya da numit asibu matau kramna miyamna pangtholi bagi haibasi miyamna uta miyeng taminasi. Anova New Year lakpa sida kari nahamo ina kari wakan phawi ge do kitang tabio.
Anova chahing lakpada nungai phaba tangdu leitaba Manipur ama oirasena koi group sidigi bo chilaga haijeri yamna hena nungai ba mamangi chahida thokhiba thodok afattaba kaigumba yawkraba taraga sumadu puna mak thoktana handik laiba chahisdadi hena nungai ba Manipur ama oirasi.
Sahi lakpasida yam nungai tabso phawi nungai ba phawi haidi sahi akat panina ko amuksu nungai tab phawba
yut ama oina taw haning base Manipur gi oina thabak pa ta phangan ba sarkar gi thabak je ekta unemployment haib jile hendra ba sisine pamjai di
alo ba sahi na lakpasida Manipur gi laiminari ba jati punima kamurti khunima amaton tang pul lagal ching amaton mang na thakala se
Anova sahi lakpasida akoina pamjari bedi hogibne hogriya phatba mayam ama akoi kari hani mihan mipul leiba adigi ban toba data adigi lam dan mipi ngang sino oni bing mayam tari mayam adigi lele na akoi thabak thibam te implement gi matang da awana nang ne mayam singse lai be na khumna khaidena chamana ba miyeng de torga nungai ba samaj ma ohin ba pami akoina pamjari je
hojik lairiba paliba sarkar si yamna phai yam sincerity woi haina khanjai chinga khutka manaba se kitang di hojik paliba sarkar se kitang di chinna kitang hen ba aru thabak ti kitang tappa aru tawrkani haina gi asabadi lai
women empowerment ayam kan ngangnari ko women sing khaktana or like men sing khaktana masculine gender khaktana nataba adagi from female side tagi su khoina pumna maki oiba haiba tare khoi di hadi nupi na nupi gi manghan bani haiba wakhalon se asi muthatna ba khoina yamna kana hona pham thoi
Manipur se hena sum saukhatpa orasanu hauji su anauba CM lakpadegi su saukhale hena amuksu saukhalakpa praja sing su hena nungairapa adu oiba pam
Maruni isa singi like tamamse masi kamai to ano busa hina lak pusida kamai to geda blam pocket later su legendre lesul helorin khali sahi manga se pan pusi nung sang na phajan ing tamna sarkar paibu oje sunu si khatene hygienic se
Manipur miyamna semai turingi torban asida yamna harau ta magloina numi si palan tori impact tv ki maiki digisu anoba chayin as lakpa siga loina Manipur miyamda harau ta magi paujan pijari camera person pibogloina bakta trom impact news semai.
Chief Secretary R.R. Rashmi flagged off Imphal Chandal passenger bus service of Manipur State Transport from Kuman Lampak ISBT today. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Secretary said the bus service will operate once per day. He said the government will even put private bus to service if the people of Chandal support a bus service and help in increasing the number of passengers. Rashmi also asserted that Chief Minister Nongthong Biren is paying extra attention to improve transportation in the state. Taking part in the flagging off ceremony, Commissioner of Transport M. Lakshmi Kumar said the bus service is a New Year's gift to the people of Chandal as promised by the Chief Minister. He said the bus will leave Imphal for Chandal in the morning and return in the evening. Lakshmi Kumar said DC Chandal and his officials will welcome the bus service flagged off today at district headquarters. He also assured that the government will soon launch bus service in Tamenglong district as well.
In fact, this MST bus service to bring connectivity to the people of the state, particularly far-flung district headquarters, we have been taking it up one after another. After this, we will be taking up Tamenglong district also. So far, altogether, we have put 16 buses into operation, and more bus services will be covering in the days to come because of the leadership provided by the Honorable CM, who is also in charge of the Transport Department.
Former head of Microbiology Department RIMS, Professor N.G. Brajachandran, Professor at the University of Maryland, Fellow of America and American Physical Society, USA, Manipuri American Professor A. Surjalal Sharma were honored with Veteran Scientists of Manipur Award today. Speaking on the occasion as chief guest, Education Minister Thokchom Radisham expressed his excitement to start the new year in the function with eminent scientists who are contributing tremendously in the area of research and development, especially for Manipur. The minister said research is very essential for gathering new data and information. However, research for the sake of it's just to get the degree will not benefit the society. He opined that research should be done to address expectations and concerns and find solutions to the problems and challenges facing the society. Calling upon the intellects, he said, if we put all our minds together, then various problems of the society could be lessened. He further assured that he will do his best under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister and to find solution for the availability of funds for research and development. He also revealed that the government of Manipur is discussing to urge the center to establish an ancient university in Manipur. The award presentation event was jointly organized by Manipur Association for the Promotion of Science, MAPS and Research Institute of Science and Technology, RIST Imphal at the Court Hall of Manipur University. Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey, Vice Chancellor of Central Agricultural University, Professor Moirangthem Premjit, scientists, teachers of the university and members of the MAPS and RIST attended the event.
Research in the Northeast, we are lagging behind. And if the government can help out in finding some funding agencies, or if there are some sources from where we can also provide funds, we'll try to look into it. We'll consult our Honorable Chief Minister and other ministers. We are also thinking to approach the central government to allocate one ICER center. We will approach the central government if we can open an ASEAN university in Manipur. And we can also conduct some studies on ASEAN studies, cyber crimes, security.
Constitution Day of Manipur to mark the enactment of Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 in January 1st, 1947 by Maharaja Bodh Chandra was observed today. Humanist Party of Manipur (HPM) observed the day at Kalyan Bhavan, Kwakaithal. Speaking at the observance, General Secretary of the party Yambe Biren said, according to Government of India Act 1935, the political status of Manipur was then very different from other Indian states. He said, order issued in 1946 by British colonizers excluded Manipur from the Indian territories which were under their rule. He said, in violation of Section 9.5, Joint Secretary of Government of India, who was not an authority of law, passed the Manipur Administration Order 1949, and Governor General G. Rajagopalachari passed the state's merger order 1950. He said Manipur was illegally annexed by passing the set to illegal orders and overthrew the Manipur State Constitution Act 1947. Yambem Biren said the Constitution of India must apply only in the territory of India. He said various unwanted incidents have occurred since the merger of Manipur with the Indian Union. He asserted that it is the aim of HPM to campaign for the operation of Manipur State Constitution Act to bring peace and security in Manipur. Yambem Biren expressed disappointment that despite approaching the President and Prime Minister of India from time to time to discuss the matter, none of them responded till date.
Manipur di British ki His Majesty na order in council में मकाद excluded तो भी India has the Empire of India ने British India नती Empire of India है बा असीते भी कोई excluded तो है excluded तो रहने ना India दा अब होना कोई हाप्चन बयाते अदु ना Manipur की दी हम special British ना अदु बारी recognition हम पिरामिड मशीनी असी बाउंड India की लगी बा Indian government जिंजना खंडरी बासी Humanist Party ना Indian government का कैरेक्टर हमरे मकोई की मजरे agreement असी fake document है कोई हाई रेवन्यू मकोई दा instrument है बक्से से संसद कोई document नते stencil agreement जो कोई की नते कोई दी Indian state नते since excluded from the India.
Manipur Senior Citizens for Society Wangoi chapter observed its 5th Foundation Day today. The observance event held at Wangoi Bazaar remembered the former Chief Minister of Manipur, Wahengbam Nipamacha, and other deceased members of the society. People offered floral tributes as a mark of their respect to the late members. Addressing media persons, MLA of Wangoi Assembly Constituency, Oinam Lukhoi lauded initiatives taken up by the former Chief Minister of Manipur, Wahengbam Nipamacha, in bringing together senior citizens of the constituency for a better society by establishing the chapter. Lukhoi stated that identity of a society lies in the roles and responsibilities taken up by the older folks of the society. He asserted that when the elderly in the society impart discipline and ethics in the youngsters, the state and the country as a whole would develop into prosperity and peace would ensure. MLA Oinam Lukhoi opined that it is high time that major roles are assigned to our seniors to bring development in the state. Coordinator of Senior Citizens for Manipur, Dr. M. Nara highlighted the significance of Manipur Senior Citizens for Society Manipur and said it is one of the most significant organizations of the state. He maintained that the resolutions taken by the society on major issues of the state is taken into consideration even by the Prime Minister of the country. Dr. M. Nara said experts in different fields are members of the society and they have taken major roles in tackling various issues in the state and will continue to do so in future. Representatives of different chapters of Manipur Senior Citizens for Society Manipur, representatives of civil society organizations and other associations were among those present at the event.
लेरक्तब छोंधरक अदुम मयाम सिंग अदु कोई ngahak ngahak tang mafam sida halaman mayam sing chi thoklaga awa na na chingba imung manungi hangtok hangjin tawnanabagi khudong chaba su phangba discipline leitaba thabak kyam rom su halamal leiri haibagi makha du da koina madugi control ama tawba ngamba oinaba su adu wakhalon du da ngasigi senior citizen for society wangoi chapter se hana lai oi khraba ahanduna mangjaram manglal adu ngasi khoi wangoi branch da hangbi dana khoi 2018 sina lakpada khoi sigum thorom ma si pangthok jabani
channel lonchet amasung taxi khasi thaugalon bevarasi kaidana leiba samaj amagi wakalonda ahal oirabasu aikhoigi idea piba ngami haiba wakal sida volunteer tawna organization amani ngasidi khwaidagi maru organization singi manungda mo oiraimni even bharat ki prime minister gi office na different crucial aspect senior citizen gi mot kari no haibasi tattana madu isa yaujoponi even prime minister office ta बातोन तौरतन चली जानी पामचा तसेंगना समाज की खरदंग खंजगिबा पुक्सेल सेंगबा चमजबा खुंगंगदे हौरको मिशक अमोइना सीनियर सिटीजन श्री मथवाई हापदा अमसुंग मपांगन कलनबदा अचौब दायित्व लौबिगी अखोइगिदी राजनीति पॉलिटिकल पार्टी मगी नत्ती डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज डिफरेंट फील्ड्स दा समाज की खरदंग तौनिंगिनी हाइबा मी पुनमक्तो मसीदे यावी
Central Industrial Security Force CISF took children of Yaibi Lin Children Home on a tour to Imphal International for the first time today. The students were taken on the tour with an objective to give innovative ideas by showing the important departments of the airport and how they functioned. Speaking in connection with the tour, Deputy Commandant of CISF, KK Wangkim, said students need to explore the outside world rather than just focusing on studies. He said children often think of airport as just aeroplanes, pilots and air hostesses, and therefore the tour was organized to let them understand that various agencies are required for an airport to function. The CISF team also presented New Year's gifts to the children.
Angang singkai je poraga airport ta tour ma ton baje sigi akhoi gi vision am khak lei jaba vision jine kai no hai bada airport si operate tawna ba hona bada agency mayam ama gi makhut ama daka tai adoida akhoi na ubadi plane ama ui airport ne hek palakanda pilot ama ui air hostess khara ui adu khatane uba adoida akhoi na educate tawning jin angang jingai da aircraft ama operate tawbadai horaga airport ama pura run tawbasida agency mayam kyam changi in haibaje sima moida idea ama piraga moigi future gi moigi life ki goal do adoida shape to haning baine.
As the first crime news of the new year, one suspected KCP cadre was shot dead by unidentified individuals around 10:30 this morning. The incident occurred at a transit junction of Tamu Bypass Road, Zetan Ward number 13, Tamu in Saigon region of Myanmar. The deceased is not yet identified till now. Universal Family Organization UFO Southeast Asia Northeast India in a press release wished the people of Manipur a very happy, prosperous and peaceful New Year. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on Assam's first draft of the much expected National Register of Citizens published last night. We will be back with the details. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. In Assam, the first draft of the much expected National Register of Citizens NRC was published last night, which include names of 1.9 crore applicants. The NRC has been updated to detect illegal citizens in the state. Addressing media in Guwahati last night, Registrar General of India's Shailesh and State NRC Coordinator Pratik Hajela said that names of those applicants whose verification have been completed by 31st of December have been included in the draft. They said that the remaining about 1.39 crore cases are under examination scrutiny of field verification process. There was a total of 3.29 crore applicants. Shailesh said after publication of the complete NRC draft, every individual will get an opportunity to file claims and objections if any. He said as per the Supreme Court's direction, the final draft will be published. He informed that a robust grievance redressal mechanism has been put in place. Shailesh said the entire process will be completed within 2018. On the other hand, Hajela said that no genuine citizen will be excluded from the list. The draft is available in various websites such as nrcassam.nic.in and assam.gov.in. Citizen can also check the names at nearby NRC Seva Kendra.
Today we are publishing the names which have been verified. Till now 1.9 crore persons' names have been verified and their names are included in the NRC. The balance names are under various stages of verification. As soon as their verification will be over, we'll come out with another draft, as has already been indicated by the Honorable Supreme Court. So all the people who do not find their names, they should have no apprehensions. There will be ample opportunities for everyone to wait for such time when their verifications are complete, and thereafter another draft will be published. We are not right now inviting claims and objections. Claims and objections will be invited only after the complete draft NRC has been published.
The Manipuri and Assamese language versions of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's official website www.pmindia.gov.in were launched today. The website can now be accessed in Manipuri and Assamese, keeping in mind the interest of the people in the two states. The PM India website is now available in 11 regional languages, namely Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Tamil and Telugu in addition to English and Hindi. For Manipuri version, one may visit the website www.pmindia.gov.in/MNI. As a part of its ongoing drives against drugs and intoxicants, Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA released its CADA Quarterly Journal, Health for Future Volume 1, Issue 18th at the conference hall of CADA head office yesterday. President in charge of CADA Hijam Priya Kumar, Vice President of CADA Ningthaucham Doran, President of CADA Imphal East District Committee Ningthaucham Ongbi Memtobi were among those present at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary General of CADA Dipanjit Ningthaucham said the quarterly CADA journal entitled Health for Future, which is also the organization's motto, is a compilation of articles written by renowned writers. The journal also features photographs of various events undertaken by CADA. He urged the people to read the health-based journal and also requested anyone interested to write articles for the journal to email @kadamiyamgi@gmail.com. The journal may be availed from CADA head office at Purairomba, Khongnang Makhong Palace compound. Integrated Rural Development Service Organization IRDSO and Institute of Rural Education IRE observed its 31st and 34th Foundation Day respectively at IRDSO office in Wangjing, Thoubal District. District and Session Judge Thoubal Salam Imocha, Executive Director IRDSO Noni Bala, Naringbam and OC Thoubal Police B. Rishikesh Sharma were among those present at the event. Salam Imocha opined that waiting for governmental interventions alone wouldn't be of much help in order to develop a village, and lauded the efforts of IRDSO and IRE, which are non-governmental organizations. Women members of IRDSO performed various cultural shows at the event. Member of National Commission for Minorities Sulekha Kumbhare will meet leaders of representatives of various organizations from minority communities in the state at 1:30 p.m. in the conference hall of MOBC department tomorrow. In a press release, Secretary of Manipuri State Minorities Commission Abdul Hakim Shah informed that all concerned may attend the meet at the state guest Sulekha. And now the news from the world of sports. The 8 under-15 and under-12 Endurance Cup organized by the Eastern Students Club Imphal East and its sports complex in Nongmaibung concluded today. The tournament kicked off on 30th of December last year. In the final match of the under-15 category played today, Black Eyes dropped Galaxy FC 7-0 while PSG beat Vipers Neck 2-0 in under-12 category. Manipuri footballer Dhiraj Moirangtham will take part in trial of the Motherwell FC, a football club in Scotland. The star goalkeeper of India in the Under-17 FIFA World Cup will take part in trial of one of the best football clubs of Scottish Premier for a month, and if he succeeds, he will be a footballer of Motherwell FC. Dhiraj's contract will All India Football Federation AIFF ended on December 31st, 2017, and his participation as goalkeeper of Indian Arrows in an I-League match between Indian Arrows and Mohun Bagan on December 29 was his last match with the Arrows. Indian Arrows and East Bengal will meet each other in another fixture of I-League match at Ambedkar Stadium, New Delhi at 2 in the afternoon tomorrow. While in another match, Mohun Bagan will meet Chennai City at 5 in the evening at Mohun Bagan Ground, Central Kolkata tomorrow. In a league match played yesterday, Aizawl FC beat Kerala Gokulam 2-0 at EMS Corporation Stadium, Kochikode. For the winners, Yogo Kobayashi and Andrea Lonescu netted 1 goal each in the 45th and 52nd minutes of the match. Bangalore FC defeated Kerala Blasters 3-1 in a match of the ongoing 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament played at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Kochi yesterday. For Bangalore FC, Sunil Chetri netted 1 goal in the 16th minute, while Miku netted 2 goals in 90+3 and 90+4 minutes of the match. Kerala Blasters' lone goal was netted by Courage Pecusant in the 16th minute of the match. Goa and Atletico de Kolkata will face each other at Sword Lake Stadium, Kolkata, at 8 in the evening this Wednesday. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People across the state welcome New Year 2018 with series of celebrations and gaiety. MST's Imphal Chandal passenger bus service kicks off today, a New Year's gift from the Chief Minister to the people of Chandal. Veteran Scientists of Manipur Award conferred to Professor Brajchan and Manipur American Professor Sujalal Sharma. Humanist Party of Manipur remembered enactment of Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 by observing Constitution Day of Manipur today. And Assam comes up with the first draft of National Register for Citizens to detect illegal citizens in the state last night.